myself. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful and I'll be happy to break my fast. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh and the KBA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and I'm grateful to them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Just sit down with them.
And the family, you have always been side and support, and I don't want to thank you, but express my feelings.
Just sit up.
দেশের স্বাদের আনন্দ লংতরায় রান্নায় তোমাকে চাই।